What are you doing?
I'm gonna go outside and brave the blizzard. I'm gonna do a blizzard yard walk.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wait, hold on. Turn around. Let me see.
What? Yeah, this is exciting, isn't it? Look at this.
Look at that outfit.
Let me do my thing. Yeah, you got that.
Yeah.
Alright. I wish I had gloves actually. Do you have gloves that have fingers? What are you doing? I'm the hottest man alive. Look at this sweet jacket I got. You like that? Ladies like
Ready?
this. Yes, I'm ready.
What are you gonna go do?
I'm gonna brave the blizzard. I'm gonna go through my yard storm. Here I go. Alright, there's no light out here, so we gotta brave it. Oh, door's locked. It's stopping. Oh, shit, mother. Alright. Wow, this really sucks, guys. So here's my winter storm walk. I was gonna brave the yard. Oh man. Look at this. This is bad. Bad news. Alright, where am I gonna go? Alright, I'm gonna see. Yeah, so I don't know why I'm doing this. It's kind of fun. There's my car. Caballero. It's a blizzard, man. Ah, there's our garbage. Ah, shit. We'll protect this. Okay, walking through. It's Carrie's car. You really can't see anything, man. Alright. We're gonna walk towards these trees. I hope the screen is not getting too wet. Trying to protect it now. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this, guys. Could just be left out here forever. That's Brian's house. Oh, it's hot cold. Look at this fucking tauntaun out there. Save me. Oh, I feel like Luke. Oh, there's my neighbor watching TV. Alright. Oh, I don't know if I make it, guys. I think I gotta fall down. This is my knees. Going up. Alright, getting up a little more. Wow. You know, I could be trapped out here forever. I can't even look at my glasses anymore, guys. Alright. We're gonna walk towards the light. This is the worst. Oh no. Oh my god. Yeah, there it is. My Mecca. Oh my god. If anybody sees me right now, they're fucking like, what the fuck is that guy doing? Alright. There we go. Videotaping. Pretty lights, pretty lights. I think the screen's getting a little... Okay. Alright, I'm gonna walk around this way. Oh my god, yes. Oh, I can't see on my glasses. This kind of sucks. Alright, I don't want to go inside already. This isn't fun. I don't know why my forehead's like frozen. Oh my. Honestly, I think we get frostbite. Let's go around this corner, head back in. This was not a good idea. Oh! I totally wiped out. Alright, here we go. Alright, here's the thing. I can't see on my glasses. And Now, I gotta look through, but my head is so fucking cold. Alright, now, I'm just trying to make it to the end. I don't ever want to do this again. Funny thing is, that's my neighbor to come out here. Guess what? He didn't come out. Alright. Oh, so please let me get back inside this house. Making it. Almost. I'm sorry, Flip. You're all wet now. I almost tripped there too. I'm going in. Okay. Help me.